This is the most viral math problem on the internet. 8 divided by 2 times the quantity 2 plus 2. Half of you think it's 1, the other half think it's 16. And the internet has been arguing about this for years. Let me show you what most people do. 2 plus 2 is 4. Now you've got 8 divided by 2 times 4. And here's where the war starts. Some people say 2 times 4 is 8, so 8 divided by 8 equals 1. They treat that 2 times 4 as a single unit. But they're wrong. Once the parentheses are done, the 2 is not glued to the 4. You have division and multiplication at the same level, which means you go left to right, period. The right way, 2 plus 2 equals 4. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. The answer is 16, not 1. The people saying 1 are treating implied multiplication like it has priority. It doesn't. This problem has millions of comments arguing both sides. Now you know the truth. If this blew your mind, leave a like and subscribe. The math wars aren't over, and I'm here to arm you with the facts.